Oh shit. Negative. Wow. All right. We're locked in. Full point! Full point! Full point! Come on!
Oh, God.
Oh! Wait, why is this not more?
Oh, it don't hurt.
Wait, lock it in. Confirm. Oh shit.
Oh,
okay.
God.
Okay.
5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
10K?
Wait. Did it no?
Wait, did it not feel you?
What?
Did it not feel you? Just let it ride. Wait, what?
Wait, so
What?
now what?
How? How? How did it not feel you? Nah.
Imagine if we did that on the actual account.
Yes. Nah, what?
Equilibrium for what?
Like a reversal. Like if we were to inverse this, because ES also inverse, or it's look like very bullish. I'm very bearish. Same time.
Okay, but what gap do we need to inverse in order for it to actually be an inverse?
All the way at the lowest one.
Yes. So same thing on ES. So I'll go look at ES. It would be that one right there. Yeah.
So if ES does inverses, then I'd have to be even more patient for NQ to also inverse the exact same gap.
You would. I mean, if ES inverses this right here, then what I would be looking for would be equilibrium, some form of a retrace, because again, we got to think this move down to inverse this is essentially the start of, potentially the start of a new trend. So if we have potentially the start of a new trend with a big extension down, what's typically going to follow? A retrace. So once we get that retrace back up, then, you know, we're probably going to be looking for some sort of equilibrium. Then we're going to be looking to execute in there. Now, just because we inverse the gap on ES doesn't mean that we're going to be full-time bearish. Why? Because NASDAQ is still printing bullish structure, and it's super far above these lows. So what I would tell you is I would wait for NASDAQ to come down, and because I doubt that NASDAQ's going to inverse this gap at the same time that ES is, what does that mean? It means we're probably going to get the retrace before we get any sort of bearish confirmation first. So that actually plays in our favor. Why? Because that gives us a low now. So while ES is going up and retracing into the bearish confluence that we're looking for a trade off of, we're getting a retrace on NASDAQ, and then let's say we get the actual like bearish confluences out of it on ES, all I would be looking for would be NASDAQ breaking structure to the downside, because then ES has completed every single step that we need, and NASDAQ has confirmed that it wants to go lower.
Makes sense.
Yeah, but right now, we have like nothing. Holy shit.
Same.
Mods, can we change the title? I need shit really bad. If you see an entry, you can take it, but obviously.
Yeah.
Don't leave me, it can't be that easy, babe. If you believe me, I guess I'll get on a plane, fly to your city, excited to see your face. Hold me, console me, and then I'll leave without a trace. Come on, don't leave me, it can't be that easy, babe. If you believe me, I guess I'll get on a plane, fly to your city, excited to see your face. Hold me, console me, then I'll leave it.
Who is the singer of the Marias?
Betrays, come on, don't leave me. It can't be that easy, baby. If you believe me, I guess I'll get on you. Fly to your city, excited to see your face. Hold me, consume me, and then I'll leave without a trace.
The fuck? Yo, is that Tyler? Yo, does Tyler just make this shit? Yo, what the Yo! Yo, what the Get your freaky ass on out of here, Tyler! What the you writing on my screen? Whoa! Why did it just get bigger? What the missed my entry, bro. I was looking at that dick.
Just like you, I came clean. Did feel so good. I feel seen. Only through you. I'll wait here tomorrow, outside your door, like I did in December, when you held me close, coming up on your corner, pulling out my hair, hear the creak in the floorboards, going up the stairs.
Yo, you were putting that dick on here?
See
Were you putting that dick on here?
What do you mean?
I'm going on.
thank you.
Why didn't you take the trade sooner?
I was erasing the dicks, and I missed my entry.
You gotta close that bitch right now. Good job.
Just like you.
I was erasing the dicks on ES. I come back, and this shit was already here. I was planning to take the trade as soon as we were breaking structure, but after anyway, jeez,
I'm out for the day as well. Made 100K.
jeez, W.
So why didn't you take it?
You want to hear my thought process?
Yeah, why didn't you long the second that we inversed this gap?
I didn't realize there was a gap right there.
There was. This was, remember, throughout that entire time, the only form of confirmation that we needed was a 1 minute break or a 1 minute inverse, because we were still within 5 minute gaps. We were still maintaining this 5 minute gap on ES. We didn't break 5 minute structure at all.
Sure.
But I mean, no harm,
I
no
just-
harm, no foul. You made $5,000 on this, so
I just didn't realize that there was a gap right here.
Ah.
But
so you waited for
I was looking at for this high to get broken.
it. What, this is a high?
No, yeah, it was or this high, yeah.
This high to get broken.
I was a fact I had to get broken.
Okay.
Jeez, I didn't even realize there was a fair value gap right there.
Yeah. So this is what I entered off of. But yeah, I mean, I thought that you were either, because I saw you marking out this gap right here, I thought you were either going to
Jeez, I didn't even realize there was a gap right there.
I thought, because I saw you mark out this gap, this bullish gap, I thought that you might have entered off of this because you wanted to wait for more confirmation. But yeah, this is super high up. But yeah, we got to.
Yeah.
I mean, it's fine. You didn't see it, but yeah, this inverse gap and price even gave us a chance to be able to enter
Yeah,
again on
this
this.
is my thought process. Well, at first I was marking out this for value gap to see if we inverse this. I can't lie, I was
I
looking
was scared. I thought you were gonna look for shorts.
if we inverse this.
Yes.
Well, if we inverse, I was also gonna wait for like a pullback. But if
No. So explain to me.
because I thought if we were to be bullish, we would respect that gap.
Yeah.
But
Which we did.
Yeah.
But also, why could we not take that? Why could we not take a trade off of that gap? Why could we not take a short off of that gap?
Off of this getting inversed.
Yes.
Because it could just be a rebalance and then go higher.
Exactly, because right now we're still maintaining.
I was gonna see that.
Yeah. Because right now we're still maintaining bullish structure. So like, even though we put in this, like, even though we broke structure to the upside right here, that still doesn't mean that we can come down. Like, we can still come down, fill this gap. We can still come down, fill this gap, and maintain bullish structure to push price higher. On ES, not nearly as much wiggle room because we filled this gap completely, and you were right about price wanting to come up and take out these highs. So overall, I think you did a really good job.
Yeah,
Good job today.
if I knew there was a fair value gap right there, I most likely would have. I probably would have entered out this candle though. I can't lie.
This one,
The second one, I would have entered right away off the inverse. I probably would have got psyched out. But after seeing this candle, I probably most likely if I'm gonna be real, I would have got FOMO, and I would have entered like at the tip of the candle with stops below here.
Okay.
But since I didn't see that, this was like, okay, if we inverse this, I still want to be patient just because I know like there's still more stacked 5 minute fair value gaps. But if we respect it and break, I can't lie, I was looking at this as a high. So I was saying if we respect it while breaking this high, then I'll enter. But while I was doing that, I was erasing the dicks. So I was erasing the dicks on ES, and I come back to NQ, and I already see it pumping up. So I just entered while it was pumping up because.
The dicks.
Yeah, but if I enter,
I tried to give you a signal from the toilet. I was trying to give you a signal.
Oh, that's what it was.
Yes.
Yo, W signal. W signal. W signal. Nice. Bro, why'd you say that? Now these niggas are gonna go off on that, bro.
Well, you didn't understand the signal, so.
Oh, no wonder, nigga.
Dick signal is crazy. Yes, bro. I literally was trying to give you a signal from the toilet. Average cock and ball pattern. Literally, bro. You see the dick, it shoots cum to the upside to take profit. Yeah, so you're up. We unfortunately didn't hit a full 6,000. We probably should have set a cleaner TP, but
I don't know how to set TPs.
yeah, it's fine. I mean, it's whatever. Low key, I mean, yeah, that kind of sucks, but it is what it is. We'll figure it out later.
What's your answer?
No, it's not smart. We just have to make an extra $1,000 on this account.
Right.
I mean,
because we can't make 7K in one trade.
Yeah, the goal is to make $6,000 across 2 trading days, like flat, because that would give us a 50% consistency rule. So we made 6,000 like pretty cleanly on, or I think we made a little bit less.
5,900.
Yeah, so we're like $20 off on this, and we're exactly another $20 off on that. So, Alpha Futures gives you like $200 worth of wiggle room for consistency rules. So, on both the accounts that were up $5,988 on, if we make 6,000, like our goal next trade on those accounts should be to make $6,100 so that we can get whatever the $12,000 profit target and be able to fit the consistency rule.
Yeah, I was gonna say, since I also need $1,000 trading day on the qualified account.
Oh, just copy this one.
Trade that one with that and just.
Yeah. That's smart. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, nice. Damn, I wish I would have seen that fair value gap, bro. How did I not notice that?
Oh, man. You genuinely might benefit. I have aimbot, so like I see, like, I mean, it sounds like glaze, but like I see the shit just like.
My trade would have been all the way up here. I can't lie.
Damn, bro.
Yeah, I would have been like, oh yeah, we inverse. But I don't know if I should take the first.
You think
inverse.
if I was here, you would have traded? You would have taken that? Like you would have
inverse?
traded all the way up there, or you would have waited?
If I can't lie, I don't think it has to do anything with that. I feel like just because of the fact that either way, this account was. I feel like the fact that I feel like I wouldn't have traded because I would have been scared. But the fact that realistically this count didn't really matter.
Yeah.
So I was like, all right, I'll just answer.
Okay.
So I feel like that's like the main source of me like taking that trade today.
You might benefit from this here. Let me see. Is this
Dude, I can't believe I didn't realize that. I mean, either way, my entry would have been a little bit. Someone said we can get another bullish trade. No, I'd rather copy trade it with. Is it indicating?
Yeah, I was going to say you might benefit from this shit slightly. Like, I mean, it's not like I don't like, not that I don't like it, but like it is helpful if you like aren't able to, like one of my coaches helped me make this where like so like this one that I have on like right now, like I use this all the time. This is OD useful for me. Like having Asia high, Asia low, London high, London low, New York high. And then also, I mean, you probably, I haven't really taught you much about daily profiles, but I use this pretty frequently as well because it's just like I, instead of me having to go and look and see like, okay, London session manipulated Asia low and then traded up off of it, we can see it literally tells it for you. So London manipulation, next is going to be reversal. So we know that New York is going to be reversal. So it like literally just pre-identifies the daily profile for us. Again, this isn't like, it's not necessary, but it helps you just pre-identify stuff that you would have had to go out of your way to identify on your own. It just like saves time. And I mean, I guess in your case, like had you had this on, maybe it would have helped you identify those gaps that you missed.
Okay.
What's the indicator name? You guys can, it's literally just go to the pinned chat.
Tim's course.
It's not. It's a lot cheaper. It's just go to it's the pinned chat on Kick.
Damn, I feel FOMO.
Why?
Because I can't believe I did not see that fair value gap.
Well, it doesn't matter. You still were right about what to trade.
Well,
I was scared that you were gonna take shorts. Was your thought process good?
Yeah, my thought process good as far as like, okay, I can't lie, I was open-minded to shorts, but I wasn't as open-minded to shorts as much as I wanted buys because of the fact I was thinking about Monday. Like, there's no way we set up this high right next to this high. I was literally learning from my mistake on day number 1. I was thinking about we need to take out this high. There's no way we don't. So I was more open to longs than I was short. So that's why I was waiting for this one to get respected. But even then, I don't know. I can't lie. I was kind of bitching out because I didn't want to just enter off of respect. I wanted to enter off of and what I thought was this high. I thought this high, I needed to see like a close above this high. I can't lie. I'm gonna be real. I thought this was a high, but
yeah,
so I now know this is a high. But so then I didn't expect this big of a candle up. I thought we were gonna close above, but like I was erasing the dicks because I was trying to like control Z, but it wasn't working. So I was like manually clicking, click, delete, click, delete, click, delete.
I put a bunch of pubes on there too.
I know. You made it a lot harder. Big ass dick. And then, so I was waiting for the respect to this and break structure then for me to enter to target this high. So that was my thought process, but I just got a really late entry. If I seen this fair value gap getting formed that got inverse, I wouldn't have entered off the inverse. I'm gonna be honest. I probably would have seen this candle printing. I probably would have got FOMO'd and I would have entered like that, targeting that same high.
I haven't lost this month.
That's so fucking.
Or I mean, I have lost, but I haven't had a losing day this month.
How much did you make today?
110. Fucking crazy.
Nice, bro. What's your P&L? Can you say that?
Yeah.
P&L this month?
737.
Second week into the month is insane, bro. I'm good luck, bro.
I genuinely think it's been helping me trade better because I'm like coaching you on all the right shit. Like sometimes when I trade by myself, I like get a little bit of overconfidence.
Like you kind of not forget, but it'll kind of like basically you kind of forget like the steps, or like you kind of forget like.
No, I don't forget the steps. I'm just like, oh, I'm that man. Like I can do whatever I want type shit. Or like sometimes I'll get like not lazy, but I'll just be like, bruh, like this shit's going up, and then I'll just like enter with that. Like I'm just like, oh yeah, like I think this is gonna go higher.